how to feature blog posts in your homepage in Squarespace. So we have in here this homepage. Just click onto this edit icon. So this is our homepage, so you can just head over and scroll down. And for this one, let's add a new section that will actually have our blog post. So for this one, let's click on this add blog section and we'll edit it out later. Now for this one, click on this add blog. And then for this one, just head over and search in here for blog. And then you can add in here some more options. So if you want to feature those blogs that you have, you can head over and then just input right here the content links for that. You can choose in here the summary. And then onto this summary page, as you see, here's some summary options. So you can edit this out by clicking onto this pencil icon right here. Now click on to select a page, then let's select in here a blog that will actually perform this. So we have in here the blogs that we have. We have in here the date posted, secondary metadata. You can also choose a design from in here. So here's our blog that we have created right now. So that's how you feature blog posts on your homepage in Squarespace. Hope we helped.